If you are looking to apply for the O1 visa and are trying to figure out what kind of work restrictions exist, watch this video to get all your questions answered. Hi everyone, my name is Marcus and I'm an immigration attorney. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about O1 visa work restrictions. So a lot of people ask me what can I or can't I do on the O1 visa? And it really depends. So there are multiple kinds of O1s. In general, it sort of breaks down into two basic areas, the O1A and then the O1B. The O1B is basically for people who are in the arts and the motion picture and television area. And the O1A is for everyone else. So like science, business, athletics, law, that sort of thing. So in general, if you are applying for the O1B or the O1A, that sort of like is the diverging point in terms of what you can or cannot do for the O1 visa. So let's just sort of break them all down. So first of all, the O1B in the arts. So let's say you are, I don't know, a dancer, live performance or something like that. So in the application, you said that I'm a dancer. So basically it's pretty clear. You're an O1B, you're a dancer, so, what you are supposed to be doing here in the United States is dancing. So if you're doing something like working at a coffee shop, if you're going to basically be tending a bar, no, that's basically a violation of your visa. When it comes to like the O1B for motion picture and television, same thing. So like, you're supposed to be working in the film industry, you're working as a film actor. If you're doing things outside of that, like working at a bakery or something like that, that's basically a violation of your visa. Similarly for the O1A, if you're coming here to be like an attorney, if you're coming here to be like an engineer or something like that, and if you're doing something else, then yes, violation of visa as well. One thing you might want to consider is that, what is going to be in the job description. So usually for my applications, I put like a detailed job description in terms of like what the person is going to be doing during the time here. Like, even when it comes to like being an actor, I sort of like detail what kind of work this person's going to be doing as an actor, things like, reading lines, memorizing lines, performing in front of people, that sort of thing. The more specific you can be in your job description, the better. One thing to note about the difference between like, O1B and the film and the arts, especially when it comes to actors, is that, some actors are like film actors, some actors are theater actors, and some actors are both. In general, if you have applied as an O1B film actor, then you should be working in the film industry. Generally, most like companies will be fine if you're like a film actor and then you want to do a theater gig, and that's perfectly fine. But I think if you have applied like O1B general arts theater actor and you want to go end up working for HBO and like their film series or something like that, that's going to be a big problem, because usually large networks and all that like HBO and Disney want to see that you have an actual O1B in the film industry visa in order for them to even hire you. So that's pretty much it in terms of like work restrictions when it comes to like the O1 visa. Pretty much, whatever is in your job description, you want to make it as detailed as possible, and that's pretty much it. And if you're doing anything else outside of that, like let's say you're supposed to be here as an engineer but you're working as a baker, okay, definitely a big problem. If you have any questions, please comment below, and I will see you soon in my next video.